Hey everyone, welcome back to Bike Culture Hub, the channel where we dive deep into the world of motorcycles, innovation, and machines that redefine what it means to ride. And today, we're exploring something truly special, a machine built for those who want comfort, power, stability, and effortless long-distance luxury all in one package. This is the 2026 Honda Gold Wing Trike. A three-wheel touring beast that takes Honda's legendary Gold Wing DNA and expands it into an entirely new experience. So let's dive right into what makes the 2026 Gold Wing Trike such a fascinating machine for touring enthusiasts, highway cruisers, and riders who want the full touring experience without worrying about balancing a giant bike at slow speeds or dealing with the fatigue of holding up a heavyweight tourer on long adventures. When Honda announced that the factory-built trike version would finally join the Gold Wing lineup, it instantly became a major topic of discussion among touring communities worldwide. Now that we've had the chance to take a closer look, it's clear that this isn't just a Gold Wing with an extra wheel at the back, it's a fully re-engineered long-distance luxury vehicle built around stability, comfort, and performance. The heart of the 2026 Gold Wing Trike is the same 1,833 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled, horizontally opposed six-cylinder engine that powers the standard Gold Wing. This engine is smooth, quiet, incredibly torquey, and beloved for its reliability on cross-country highways. Honda has spent decades perfecting this flat-six motor, and in its 2026 updated form, it produces around 125 horsepower and 170 Nm of torque, delivered in an effortless way from just off idle. In a trike format, this character becomes even more refined because you're not worried about balancing the weight, you simply point, twist the throttle, and glide. The DCT gearbox remains a highlight, allowing clutch-free riding with quick, clean shifts that make the Gold Wing feel like a premium touring car on three wheels. But a trike rides very differently from a motorcycle, and Honda has carefully refined the chassis to accommodate the wider rear track, increased stability, and different cornering dynamics. The rear suspension is now a purpose-built dual-arm setup tuned for comfort, even under full load. Honda has integrated electronic damping control as well, meaning the bike actively adjusts suspension firmness based on your riding mode, load, and road conditions. Unlike aftermarket conversions, where the Gold Wing's original geometry is altered in unpredictable ways, the 2026 factory trike has been engineered from the ground up to behave as a true three-wheel platform, stable at high speeds, planted through corners, and comfortable across rough highways. Braking is equally impressive. The trike features independent rear disc brakes paired with Honda's latest combined ABS system that distributes braking force intelligently between the front wheel and the two rear wheels. This creates a strong, predictable stopping force that gives the rider confidence during highway touring, city maneuvering, and emergency stops. Honda has also included its Hill Start Assist system, which is a huge convenience when riding a heavy machine on inclines. Where the 2026 Gold Wing Trike truly shines is the comfort and rider-focused luxury it brings to the touring world. Honda understands exactly who this machine is built for: riders who value comfort on long journeys, couples who travel thousands of miles each year, and older riders who may find a two-wheel Gold Wing heavy at slow speeds but still want to enjoy the freedom of open-road touring. The seat is wide, plush, and ergonomically shaped for all-day riding. The passenger gets an even better deal: a wraparound backrest, padded armrests, high-mounted comfortable seating, and full floorboard footrests that feel almost like riding in a luxury convertible chair. The wind protection is superb, thanks to the large electrically adjustable windscreen that allows you to customize airflow with the push of a button. Honda has improved the aerodynamics for 2026, making both the rider and passenger experience quieter and smoother at high speeds. The bodywork flows seamlessly from the front fairing into the wide rear fenders, giving the trike a dramatic and premium silhouette that stands out whether it's cruising on wide American highways or navigating scenic mountain routes. Of course, Honda's infotainment system remains one of the best in the touring segment. The 2026 Gold Wing Trike is equipped with a full-color 7-inch TFT display that supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth audio, GPS navigation, and voice commands. Honda has enhanced the speakers with a deeper bass range and improved clarity, making music playback sound richer, especially at highway speeds. Long-distance riders will appreciate the integrated USB ports, 12-volt charging sockets, and optional wireless charging pad. One of the biggest advantages of the trike version is the massive increase in cargo capacity. The Gold Wing has always had good luggage space, but the trike takes it several steps further. You get a large trunk integrated between the two rear wheels, offering room for multiple full-face helmets, touring bags, and gear for extended trips. Combined with the standard top box and saddlebags, the trike provides practicality that rivals compact touring cars. For riders traveling with a partner, this is a massive upgrade from the two-wheel Gold Wing. Fuel efficiency remains surprisingly reasonable considering the size and weight of the machine. Honda claims the trike version achieves around 15 to 17 km/L depending on riding style and load. With the large fuel tank, riders can expect long ranges between refueling stops, perfect for cross-country adventures. Honda has also focused on safety. The 2026 Gold Wing Trike includes traction control, cornering ABS, stability management tuned specially for three-wheel riding, and LED adaptive cornering headlights that automatically illuminate the inside of a turn to improve nighttime visibility. There's also the Smart Key system, tire pressure monitoring, and emergency stop signaling that flashes the hazard lights during sudden braking. Design-wise, the Gold Wing Trike looks stunning. It takes the modern aesthetic of the two-wheel Gold Wing but gives it a wider, more muscular presence. The rear fenders are sculpted, flowing smoothly into the integrated trunk. The LED lighting signature is crisp and futuristic, and the chrome or blacked-out trim options allow riders to choose between classic touring luxury or modern stealth styling. The overall look is elegant, powerful, and unmistakably Gold Wing. One of the biggest questions is the price. The 2026 Honda Gold Wing Trike is expected to retail around $39,000 to $42,000, depending on trim levels and optional packages. Yes, it's a premium touring machine, but Honda's engineering, reliability, comfort, and luxury are unmatched in this category. Compared to aftermarket Gold Wing Trike conversions, which often cost nearly as much, the factory-engineered Trike offers far superior performance, integration, and peace of mind. What makes the 2026 Gold Wing Trike such a standout machine is its unique selling point. It delivers the full Gold Wing experience with added confidence and stability. Riders who may feel hesitant about handling a large touring motorcycle at slow speeds now have a factory option that eliminates the balancing act. Couples who love touring will find it more comfortable than ever before. And longtime Gold Wing enthusiasts who want maximum stability without sacrificing performance will find this trike to be a dream come true. As we wrap up, the 2026 Honda Gold Wing Trike stands tall as one of the most exciting luxury touring machines of the year. It's refined, powerful, comfortable, technologically advanced, and built to carry you across continents with ease. Whether you're planning your next big road trip, looking to upgrade to a more stable platform, or simply want the ultimate touring machine, the Gold Wing Trike is a motorcycle that truly delivers on all fronts. It isn't just transportation, it's an experience, a lifestyle, and a rolling piece of Honda engineering excellence. Thanks for watching Bike Culture Hub. If you enjoyed this deep dive review of the 2026 Honda Gold Wing Trike, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more in-depth motorcycle content, and drop a comment telling us what bike you want to see next. Until then, ride safe, stay adventurous, and I'll see you in the next video.